Aren't you going to work today?
Nope.
Well, may I know why not?
I took permission to stay home today, tomorrow, and Friday. Mr. Chooks agreed. He's so nice.
Permission to stay at home to do what?
Nothing for today, but I'll be going out with Flo and Nkechi tomorrow. Then I'll rest on Friday.
Rest from what?
But Daddy, the man didn't mind now. If there was something to do, he wouldn't have given me permission to stay away from work.
But it doesn't make sense to stay away from work for 3 days. Especially since you have nothing else to do.
But Dad, I'll be going out tomorrow. Look, Daddy, I have decided to take up a vacation job. And it's nothing serious. I can also decide to stop it if I want.
That's the problem. That's the wrong approach to life. You can't just decide to work and then decide not to.
But Daddy, there's really nothing to do at work.
Your boss will decide that. Now, go in and dress up. I'll drop you off myself.
Daddy...
Young lady, you have 10 minutes. You are still sitting down.
I'm really running.
10 minutes.
Sorry, just take it easy, okay?
My head.
Sorry, I know how you feel. Sorry.
What kind of headache is this?
I understand. Sorry. Be fine, okay? Sorry. So sorry. I don't understand. Did you puke at work?
No. It's just headache and stomach pain. I think it's just stress.
I don't think it's stress. We have to go to the hospital.
No. I'll be fine by tomorrow. I have to go to work tomorrow.
I don't think you can go to work tomorrow. You've puked 3 hours in 2 hours. It's probably typhoid.
I'll be fine, Bumi.
That's what you keep saying. I'll be fine. Daddy, welcome, Daddy. And Shade is sick.
What's wrong?
I don't feel too good.
She puked 3 hours before you came back.
Yepa, we have to rush you to the hospital at this minute.
No, Daddy, I'll be fine.
She's been saying that.
I just need to... I'll just take some malaria drugs and...
How do you feel now?
Who are you?
Uzo. I'm Uzo.
Why are you here? And where's my dad and my sister?
They went home briefly. I told them it was alright.
Alright to leave me? Who are you?
Uzo Francis, I told you before.
Why are you here? You know what? I don't even care. Just leave. Go!
It's okay then. As you wish.
Dr. Uzo, thank you very much. I sincerely appreciate you.
It's alright,
Daddy.
Do you feel better now? You fainted and scared all of us.
Who is that person? And why did you leave a stranger with me?
Uzo, Chief Francis' son.
Who is Chief Francis?
You met him once. Have you forgotten? He's your mom's family friend. Anyway, I didn't take you to the general hospital that time last night. I now remembered Uzo's hospital nearby, so I called him. He wasn't even supposed to be on duty, but he stayed back because of us.
They said it's food poisoning. What did you eat?
I don't even remember. I had a lot of stuff to eat yesterday. Daddy, when do I get to go home?
You didn't ask Uzo?
I didn't know who Uzo was. Besides, I don't appreciate waking up to a stranger by my bedside.
A fine stranger, though. Sorry.
Now, let me go and find out from Uzo.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Taya called and said she wanted to speak with you. Let me call her and tell her you made it.
You're right. Made it. Yeah, call her now.
Careful now.
I know you don't have credit. You never have credit.
May I?
Yeah, sure.
I wasn't sure you would want to see me again.
I've been asking after you all day. I sent all the nurses to you. Didn't they tell you?
Everyone did. But I decided they were playing pranks, you know. It couldn't be you really wanted to see me. You walked me out of the room, remember?
I know. And I apologize. It's just that hospitals make me cranky, but that's no excuse. I hear you saved my life. Thank you.
God saved your life. He performed the miracle. You're welcome, though. Yeah, I'm happy I was available to help. So, hope you're feeling better now.
Oh yeah, I feel a lot better. I was just hoping I'll be able to go to work today, but it seems like all work will have to wait till Monday.
Yeah, you need to rest. I hear you're a workaholic.
Don't believe whatever my family says to you.
Oh, come on. They don't know you very well.
Well, it's just that I hate being inactive. I hate not having anything to do. It drives me crazy.
Yeah, I understand. I know how it feels like. But sometimes you just need to relax. You need to rest. I'm speaking from experience here. So now, doctor's orders. You will have to rest this weekend.
Okay. It's not like I can go to work anyway.
True. But you can be at home and not rest still.
All right. I'll see what I can do.
Okay, so I will have to go now.
Okay.
I will check up on you later.
All right. Thank you very much, doctor.
Yeah, make
Thank
sure you
you.
rest.
I will. You two can go now. I'll be fine.
I really don't mind staying with you.
I know. That's an excuse for you not to go to work tomorrow.
You know your sister too well. I don't understand why she got a job when she didn't need one.
Vacation job, people. I just don't want to stay home idle. It's not my dream job.
Yeah. Keep telling yourself that. Okay, you need to start moving now. It's getting late.
Why are you such in a hurry to get rid of us?
Hey, I didn't know you two were still here.
Oh, Dr. Uzo, we are sorry we've been such a bother.
No wonder.
Wonder what?
No wonder you've been asking us when we would leave. We're going. We're going. Goodbye, you both.
Oh, come on. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I mean,
You sent your family away for me?
oh, doctor, you flatter yourself too much.
Oh, come on.
I sent them away because I want to sleep.
Okay, then. Then I should leave then.
Well, you can stay if you want.
Are you asking me to stay?
I'm just saying you can stay if you want.
No problem, woman. Just go ahead and say it.
Okay.
Okay, I will just stay for a minute or two.
All right.
Tell me about yourself.
Me? There's nothing to tell. Must have been those apples I bought, or even the rice I got from the canteen at work.
It could be any or all of those things. We all need to be careful.
Taya Tayo screamed when I told her. She said it's the witches in our village that poisoned you.
Oh, Tayo. I miss her big head. I should even call herself. But I'm glad she's not here though. She would have teased me endlessly about Uzo.
You know, you talk a lot about him, right?
What? No, I don't.
Eh? Yes. Yes, you do. You like him. He's a fine man. And he's nice. Very nice. Me, I don't mind having him as a brother-in-law though.
Who said anything about marriage? Hi, Uzo. Yeah, what's up?
Charlie finally likes him, man. This should be fun.
Fun. I should bring things on point, Dad. I can't wait. I already have a style I want to sew. Eh? What am I saying? I have like 2 styles I want to sew.
You're just unbelievable.
I really think you should wear a gown.
Don't you think it will make me seem needy?
No, it will make you seem ladylike. You have to look like a lady for him.
I don't see how a nice blouse and jeans makes me look like a man. No, that is too short.
It's too short. It always makes you look like you're going for a construction site.
My jeans?
Yes,
like
those
my
jeans.
really tight jeans?
Even those ones safe. You want me to call Tayo to confirm?
No. Please, oh. I don't have the energy for Tayo's mouth now, I beg. You know what? Just pick a dress. Something simple and nice.
Simple and nice?
Yeah, simple
What
and nice.
about this one? What do you think about this?
Okay, let's see what we can do with this.
Yes, so this we do.
All right, just spread it out on the bed.
Okay. I'm coming. Hello, doctor.
Hi.
Come in. She'll be ready in a jiffy. We're just trying to put some finishing touches, nothing much. I'm sure she'll be ready in like 30 minutes, trust me. Let me just go and check if she's ready.
Okay. No worry then. I can just sit here.
Okay, please sit. I'm sure she'll be ready like very soon. Do you want a drink, a juice, Coke? I guess that's all we have. We probably have wine, but nobody touches it because
Come on, Bumi. Look, you don't need to worry yourself. I will just sit and wait, huh?
All right, you're welcome. He has to be the nicest human alive. Wow.
He's here? What's he wearing?
I can't remember. I just know he's nice. You must marry him.
Me? What if I'm too dressed for this? I don't even know where he's taking me. What if he's not this serious?
No, you look stunning. This is how every lady should look when she's out with the one that she loves.
What's this one saying? Love. I think that's all they teach you in school these days. That's all you seem to talk about.
Oh, nah. Okay. You know what? I promise me we'll be out in a jiffy. Okay. Please, let's not keep Prince Charming waiting. Yeah, carry your bag. You look very hot. Don't worry.
You sure?
Yes, now.
I'm sure he'll like it.
He will like everything. Let's go. Okay.
Hi, Uzo. Sorry to keep you waiting.
Yeah, it's okay. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Bumi, thanks for making her look beautiful for me. Somehow I know it's your doing. I owe you one.
You're welcome. All I want is shawarma.
And shawarma you get. And some other goodies.
Okay. Thank you, Doc. Okay, you too. Bye. Have fun.
Bye. Okay.
Aww.
Thank you. Gosh, I had so much fun. He was such a perfect gentleman. It was surreal.
Ayo, you watch too many movies. He's not a psychopath.
Okay, I am sure he has his faults, of course, but this is just initial butterflies. I like him a lot. Yeah, true. I just hope I don't spoil everything.
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Trust style to fuck cold water on someone's ginger.
Well, she's always the voice of reason.
Yeah, that's true. Tell me more about the dates, as in direct now.
For me, that island has a lot of cool places. Oh, I think we should even move there, safe. First, we went to Terra Culture, then went to Naked Arts Gallery, then went to Lekki Leisure Mall.
Where is Naked Arts Gallery? I mean, where's that?
It's somewhere on the island. But first, we got frozen yogurt. God, I had so much fun. You want to follow us? You want to tag along? No, 3 is a crowd. We don't want. Okay, I think you need to go now. I have to chat with Uzo. Dr. Uzo. Go now.
Dad, I have decided I will go for a customer service job next month.
Oh, really?
Yes, Dad. I hear those online stores are hiring.
They are? Even for non-graduates?
I don't know, but I intend to check it out. But it's better than that Weave on Job company.
Right.
Yes, Dad.
You think you can leave work as you please?
Dad, I won't leave work. It will be something I would love to do.
I hear you. You've built a habit. Habits are hard to break.
Dad, it's not a habit. I know what I'm doing.
I hope so.
That reminds me. They must have paid salary by now. Let me call Victoria to find out what's up. Hello? Hello, Victoria. Yes, I was hoping they would have paid some.
Hey, Dad. How was your day?
You are the one grinning from ear to ear. How was yours?
It was beautiful.
What part though? During work or after work?
Daddy.
Come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Ah, the doctor. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I hope you're fine too.
Oh, all is good here. Thank God for health. You are here to take Shadi out again, I presume.
If you don't mind, sir.
As if you asked me for permission for all the dates.
I like her.
I noticed.
I won't hurt her.
You had better not.
So how's work, sir?
Work is great. I should ask you though, isn't my daughter taking you off your life-saving duties?
Oh, not at all, sir. I only see her when I'm off, and I'm off twice a week.
That works then. How is your father?
Oh, he's all right. He was happy when I told him I was coming to see you again.
Daddy, please let me know when Uzo gets here.
What?
I said let me... Oh gosh, I'll be ready in 5 minutes.
Where are you going?
To work. I got an alert of 15,000 naira. He was supposed to pay me 25,000 naira.
Oh.
I'm going to find out what happened.
Isn't it clear? It paid you for the days you work.
It can't be, Daddy. It can't be. Something must have happened. I'll be back soon.
You better don't go and make a fool of yourself for me.
I'm not going to fight or anything. I'm just going to find out why he paid me that amount. It's called monthly salary. That's not what he paid others. I'm going to find out what happened, Daddy.
Okay, oh. I wish you good luck in your quest.
Thanks, Daddy.
Are you alright?
I like you so much.
Okay.
Look, Shade, the last time I felt like this about someone, she left me for my friend.
I am not her.
I know. Look, she's got nothing on you. Shade, I feel like I've known you for years. I feel safe with you.
Well, I like you too. A lot.
Good. Because I want to date you. I want you to be my woman. Look, I want to spend time with you. I want to know what makes you tick.
That's a lot.
Now you're mocking me.
No, I'm not. I'm just saying it's a lot, but I don't mind. I'd love to be your woman.
You want to be my woman?
Yes, I will. I mean, I think you're the coolest guy alive after my dad. That is.
Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. It's an honor to be on the same list with your father.
Best believe it. Okay, now enough. Can we go get my frozen yogurt now?
Voila.
All right.
Yes, Mom. Yeah, go.
You need to cheer up. It's not the end of the world.
But Dad, you should have told me he pays per hour. It's so unfair.
I don't see how he cheated you though.
That's the point. Now he's the saint. You should have told me.
Everyone knows jobs like that pay per hour. It's an industry. They have many hands. They can't afford to pay for jobs not done.
But Dad, there was really nothing to do.
So says you.
Oh, wow. Me, I thought he was really a nice man.
Hello, family.
Hey, this green door. Where is he?
He's gone home now. But me, he got this for you. Again. Take.
Oh, that should make you feel better.
Woo! Bless him for me.
Daddy, what happened to her?
Her boss paid her for work done. 10,000 naira short.
She hardly went to work anyway. I think the man tried for you.
I told her to.
Meanwhile, I have an announcement. Daddy. Okay. Uzo and I are dating officially.
Yeah. Whoop, whoop. Okay. Though I was expecting a marriage proposal. But I can live with this though.
I never knew this day would come.
Come on, Daddy. Anyway, the day is here. I have a boyfriend and I love it. Did I say love? Oh my God.
This calls for Skype session with Tayo. You trust me on that now.
Where is my own shawarma now?
Daddy.
You can share with me.